Hey, what's up? My name is Robert. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Know You, Ladipoe featuring Simi. It's only 4 chords and it's a very simple song to learn. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, make sure you leave a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these vids. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of G and the progression is 4, 5, 6, 1. 4, 5, 6, and 1. The 4 is a C chord. The 5 is D chord, 6 is E minor, and the 1 is a G chord. So the C chord, I am using my I'm playing this form of C chord. So this is you can either play the normal C chord as so, or you can also play a variation of a C chord, which is a C9 chord. So I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 2 on the 3rd fret. My middle finger plays string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger, I'm using it to play this note on string 5, fret number 3. So C. And then the chord that follows is a D chord. So this is also an inversion of a D chord. So instead of playing my normal D from down here, I am playing this form of D. So my small finger remains on string number 2, 3rd fret. My pointer finger playing string number 6 on the 2nd fret, and my middle finger playing string number 3, but now on the 2nd fret. So that's a D chord. And then these two fingers play string 5 with my pointer finger, and string number 4 on the 2nd fret with my middle finger. So this an E minor chord. So I'm still maintaining my pinky on string number 2, 3rd fret, but you don't have to maintain it here. You can still play just E open. And then finally G chord. So the G chord, my small finger is on string number 1, 3rd fret. My ring finger string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and my middle finger string number 5 on the 2nd fret. So those are the chords that comprise the progression of this song. So the rhythm is so you can also play the bar chords. So that's it. That song is just as simple as this, and anyone who has a request can let me know at the comment area, and subscribe to the channel, plus leave a thumbs up, and share, do all those good things. So with that, let's see each other on the next one.